Good morning, one and all. Today's topic is maxima and minima. That is, maxima and minima of function of two variables. Here, what is maxima and what is minima means if the given function at which point it have maximum value, that is maxima, and at what point the function have minimum value, that is minima. So this is maxima and minima of function of two variables. So what is the condition for maxima and minima? So the condition for maxima and minima is we have to find out the first order partial derivatives of the given function. So with respect to the point a comma b, that is dou f by dou x of a comma b given point, at which point, that is the given point is a comma b. So the partial derivative, first derivative of dou f by dou x of a comma b equal to 0, dou f by dou y of a comma b equal to 0. If these first order partial derivatives with respect to the point equal to 0, that is the condition for find out the maxima and minima. And here second order partial derivatives are small r equal to dou square f by dou x square of a comma b, s equal to dou square f by dou x dou y of a comma b, t equal to dou square f by dou y square of a comma b. So these are the second order partial derivatives and are denoted by small r, small s, small t. So for finding the maximum and minimum values, we have to find the values of dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, and dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou x dou y, and dou square f by dou y square, and with respect to the point. Then first condition is if rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r is greater than 0, then the given function f of x comma y is minimum. So it have minimum value at the point a comma b. And second condition is if rt minus s square greater than 0 and r less than 0. If r less than 0 and rt minus s square greater than 0, then the given function f of x comma y is maximum at that point a comma b. That means the given function f of x comma y contains maximum value at the point a comma b. And third point is, or third case is, if rt minus s square is less than 0. So if rt minus s square is less than 0, then the given function has neither maximum nor minimum value. So if rt minus s square less than 0, then neither maximum nor minimum. That means the given function have neither maximum value nor minimum value. And fourth case, if rt minus s square equal to 0. If rt minus s square equal to 0, then the case is doubtful. So we can't find out maximum and minimum. That is, the case is doubtful. So these are the four conditions of finding maximum and minimum of function of two variables. Let us take first problem. Discuss the maxima and minima of f of x comma y equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. So this is the function, given function. So solution, we have to find out at which point this function have maximum and minimum value. So here the given function is f of x comma y equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. This is equation number 1. Now we have to find out the first order partial derivatives, and equating those partial derivatives to 0, we can get the point a comma b. That is, now differentiating f with respect to x, that is dou f by dou x equal to 2x, this becomes 0 plus 6 and this is 0. So 2x plus 6, and dou f by dou y is 2y, this 0, this is 0, and this is also 0, that is 2y. Now equating this dou f by dou x, dou y by dou f by dou y values to the 0, that is 2x plus 6 is 0, then 2x equal to minus 6, then x equal to minus 3, and 2y equal to 0, then that is y equal to 0. So here we get the point x comma y or a comma b as minus 3 comma 0. Therefore the point is minus 3 comma 0. Then we have to find out at this point the given function have maxima value or minimum value. Then we have to find out the second order partial derivatives small r, small s and small t. Small r equal to dou square f by dou x square. So that is we are differentiating dou f by dou x again with respect to x, that is dou by dou x of 2x plus 6, that is 2. So at that point, now substituting this point dou square f by dou x square. So here there is no value x and y. So dou square f by dou x square of minus 3 comma 0 equal to 2. Then s value dou square f by dou x dou y. So we are differentiating dou f by dou y with respect to x, that is dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, dou by dou x of 2y, that is 0. So here s value dou square f by dou x dou y of at the point minus 3 comma 0 is 0. Next t value, t equal to dou square f by dou y square, that is we are differentiating dou f by dou y with respect to y, that is dou by dou y of dou f by dou y, that equal to dou by dou y of 2y. So dou by dou y by dou y is 1, so 2 into 1 is 2. At that point dou square f by dou y square, so here dou square f by dou y square minus 3 comma 0 equal to 2. So here we are finding r, s, t values at the point minus 3 comma 1. Now rt minus s square value, rt minus s square equal to r 2, t is 2 minus s value is 0. So 0 square, that is 2 into 2 is 4 minus 0, that is 4. So here the 4 is greater than 0. So we get rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r equal to value is 2. So 2 is also greater than 0. So here rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r is greater than 0. So this is the first case. So in this case the given function has minimum value at the point minus 3 comma 0. And what is that minimum value? Then we have to find out this point in the given function, that is the minimum value of given function x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12 equal to x value is minus 3 whole square, y plus 0 square plus 6 into minus 3 plus 12. So 9 plus 0 minus 18 plus 12, that is 9 plus 12 is 21 minus 18, that is 3. So the given function at the point minus 3 comma 0, it have minimum value and that minimum value is 3. So this is the first question. Next let us take another question. Find the maximum and minimum values of u equal to x1 cube plus x2 cube plus x1 square plus 4x2 square plus 6. So here the given function is u equal to x1 cube plus x2 cube plus x1 square plus 4x2 square plus 6. This is equation number 1. Then we have to find out the first order partial derivatives, that is dou u by dou x1, dou u by dou x2. Dou u by dou x1. So here we are differentiating u with respect to x1, that is 3x1 square plus 2x1, and dou u by dou x2 equal to 3x2 square plus 8x2. Now equating these dou u by dou x1 and dou u by dou x2, this 0, that is 3x1 square plus 2x1 equal to 0, 3x2 square plus 8x2 equal to 0. Then taking x1 as common, 3x1 plus 2, that equal to 0. Then x1 equal to 0 and 3x plus x1 plus 2 equal to 0. Then we get x1 equal to minus 2 by 3. And dou u by dou x2 equal to 0, that is 3x2 square plus 8x2 equal to 0. That is taking x2 as common, 3x2 plus 8, then x2 equal to 0 and 3x2 plus 8 equal to 0, then x2 equal to minus 8 by 3. So here we get 2 points, that is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, that is 0 comma 0, and x1 equal to minus 2 by 3, x2 equal to minus 8 by 3. So this is minus 2 by 3 comma 8 by 3. So here we get the 2 points, 0 comma 0, minus 2 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3. These are the 2 points. Now at the point 0 comma 0, r equal to dou square u by dou x1 square, that is dou by dou x of dou x1 of dou u by dou x1, that is dou by dou x1 of 3x1 square plus 2x1, that is 6x1 plus 2. Now at the point 0 comma 0, that is substituting x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, 6 into 0 plus 2, that is 2. So we get r value as 2 at the point 0 comma 0. Then s, dou square u by dou x1 dou x2, that is dou by dou x1 of dou u by dou x2, that is dou by dou x1 of dou u by dou x2 value is 3x2 square plus 8x2. So here there is no x1 value, so it becomes a 0. Therefore dou square u by dou x1 dou x2 value at 0 comma 0 is 0. Then t value, dou square u by dou x2 whole dou x2 square, that is dou by dou x2 of dou u by dou x2. We get dou u by dou x2 value as 3x2 square plus 8x2. So here we get 3 into 2, 6x2 plus 8. Now at the point 0 comma 0, 6 into 0 plus 8, that is 8. So here we get r s t values. Now rt minus s square equal to, r value is 2, t value is 8 minus s square 0 square. So 16 minus 0 is 16, greater than 0. So here we get rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r equal to, r value is 2, so 2 is also greater than 0. So here rt minus s square 0, rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r is greater than 0. So this is the first condition of maxima and minima. So the given function f of x comma y has minimum at the point 0 comma 0 and the minimum value, so we have to find the minimum value also. So substituting this 0 comma 0 in that function, x1 cube plus x2 cube plus x1 square plus 4x2 square plus 6. So all x1 0, x2 0, x1 0, x2 plus 6, so that is 6. So at the point 0 comma 0, the given function f of u of x comma y has minimum value, that value is 6. Now we have to find at the point minus 2 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3. R equal to dou square u by dou x1 square of minus 2 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3, that is, so 6x1 plus r value is 6x1 plus 2, substituting 6 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2, so here 3 into 2, 6 minus 4 plus 2, so 2 minus 4 is minus 2, so here we get r value as minus 2. Then s, dou square u by dou x1 dou x2 value is 0, so dou square s equal to dou square u by dou x1 dou x2 of minus 2 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3 value is 0. Next t value, dou square u by dou x2 square of minus 2 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3, that is, so here we get 6x2 plus 8. So x2 value is 6 into minus 8 by 3 plus 8, 3 into 2, so minus 16 plus 8, that is minus 8. Now we have to find out rt minus s square value. Rt minus s square, r value is minus 2, t value is minus 8 and s value is 0. So minus 2 into minus 8 minus 0 square, that is 2 into 8 minus into minus plus 16 is greater than 0 and r value, r equal to minus 2, that is less than 0. So here r value is less than 0 and rt minus s square is greater than 0. So rt minus s square greater than 0, r is less than 0. So this is the second condition of maxima and minima. In this case, the function u of x comma y has maximum value at the point minus 2 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3 and the maximum value is enti x1 cube plus x2 cube plus x1 square plus 4x2 square plus 6. Now substituting these points in this function, minus 2 by 3 whole cube minus 8 by 3 whole cube minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 4 into minus 8 by 3 whole square plus 6. Then simplifying, minus 8 by 27 minus 5 and 2 by 27 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 into 64 by 9 plus 6. Then LCM, taking LCM, 27 minus 8 minus 5 and 2 plus 9 3s are 27, 3 into 4 12, 9 3s are 27, so 3 into 4 12, 12 into 64 is 768 plus, so here 1 into 27 or 27 into 1 is 27, so 27 into 6 is 162 by 27. Then by simplifying this, minus terms, minus 520 plus 942, that is 422 by 27. So this is the maximum value of the given function u of x comma y.